they will have same mass. Now the fourth one, the fourth property, obviously if the atoms of same element have same mass, then atoms of different elements will have different mass. Carbon have different mass, oxygen have different mass, because both of them are different elements, different atoms. Okay, so atoms of different elements. Okay, so can you see how obvious things are these? Atoms of different element have different mass, have different mass. Okay, so this was the statement. Fifth one. Okay, the fifth one. There is a fifth statement. Fifth statement was the proud statement that atoms combine in simple definite proportions. Okay, or simple whole number. It's a big statement here, but you could say atoms combine in simple way, or simple numbers, or in simple quantities when they form compounds. Okay, so if I just write the point the way it is written into fancier words, so atoms combine. Okay, combine in simple, okay, or in definite proportions, in simple proportion you could say, to form compounds. Okay, to form compounds. So can you see, so what happened, there are 5 points of atomic theory, but it was proposed by John Dalton. But actually what did he do? He bring all the works of all the scientists, and he just made these 5 points. Okay, but the thing is that even though there are some points which are not correct about this theory, but this helped other chemists, okay, to investigate on. Okay, and from here is this thing where we have to investigate more. So these were the scientists which we talked about of 17th century. Can you see, so far we have just learned that how the idea of atom came into being, how from the era where people used to believe that this world is just created of water, land, and air, scientists bring the statements or bring the minds towards the idea that this world is made up of smallest particle, which we call it atom, and atoms have certain properties which we have learned. Okay, so this is the history behind it. I hope that we liked it, and I will not burst you out by teaching you all the history today. Inshallah, we will come back to the next point very soon about the models and the stuff which is actually the real one, which will help you actually in IGCSE. Okay, so let's have a break. Okay, and I will see you in a while.